Garden of Daisies. So when I first started Irish dancing, my teachers were like, oh, you know, he's really good. I just like learned my jigs and stuff. They're like, we want to send him to the All Irelands. My mom was like, no. And then behind my mom's back, they started teaching me the trad set, because at younger ages you have to do a trad set instead of like modern set.
Yeah.
So they taught me the trad version of Garden of Daisies, even though I wasn't going to the All Irelands. And I had the worst time learning Garden of Daisies. It just went, I didn't know how to do trebles or anything yet, so like it went right over my head. I was like, I hate the garden, or I didn't call it the garden, I hate the daisy dance.
The daisy dance.
So like 8-year-old Tyler hated the daisy dance, but
okay,
it's not that bad.
I like it.
It's clean. Yeah.
It's not F.
Yeah, like I find, now that we have the tier list kind of set up, I'm like looking at different ones. I'm like, all right, it's better than that, it's better than that, better than that. It's better than Blackbird, it's better than Fiddler, but it's better than Rodney. Garden of Daisies is here for now. Oh, you're looking, oh, 76.
Yeah, I would put it behind
okay.
Rodney's in front of Fiddler.
Yeah. Rodney's is just a clean tune.